Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel, guys. The time right now is 5:41 p.m. Getting off to a super late start today. I had a lot of things to do today, so I had to clean up the house. Got to make sure you got the house clean. All my areas together. I had to clean the office, clean the room, clean the yard, clean the car. Lots of cleaning. Got all of that cleaning done. Got a couple videos edited. Now it's time to get out, hit the road, make that money. Which app are we going to be using today? You already know. We turning on that Doordash and we getting right to it. And guess what? I got my first order already, guys. Doordash came through for me. We got $9.25. 4.5 miles over at Wayne Gang. And the funny thing is, they sent me a few offers before this. So they sent me an offer $12.50 for 9.4 miles at Starbucks. And I'm like, man, it ain't no way. Like, in my area, we got lots of coffee spots. We got Starbucks, we got Scooters Coffee, and pretty much every single gas station serve coffee too. But I get it, you want your Starbucks. It ain't no way it's not another Starbucks between here and 10 miles away. I had to decline that offer, guys. So very next order after that, $4.25, 3.6 miles at KFC. Possibility to get a stack, but that's gambling. Look, 1-to-1 miles to money ratio is a great offer, but I like to get 3-to-1, honestly. I usually can get 3-to-1 miles to money. So a lot of times, unless it's really slow and I really need the money, I'm declining that all day long. And that's just what I did today. I declined it, let it go. Right after that, they sent me a Chick-fil-A order, $8.25, 6.9 miles. Again, the miles to money ratio is at least 1-to-1. But when you know your market and you know the merchants in your market, you work in the best times, really be better off trying to aim for a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, so that you can make sure that you're profitable on all your miles. A lot of times on them 1-to-1 miles to money ratio offers, you want to keep the miles real low. Like that $4.25 for 3 miles, that's a lot better than $8.25 for 6.9 miles, in my own opinion. Now, after that, we got our $9.25 for 4.5, only 2-to-1, but at least that 2-to-1 miles to money ratio keeps me within my zone, and it's a possibility to get a stack, multi-apping. You guys know how we do it. So look, we in the car, wheels are rolling. We heading over to Wayne Gang, about 3 minutes away. Not too bad. That gives them a couple extra minutes to get that order done, even though I know they pretty good and timely with getting those orders out in a respectable manner. So look, we finna go ahead and get right to it. Oops. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to our delivery destination. No, our pickup destination. This Wayne Gang right here. See if they got it ready. So, turns out they actually had the order ready to go. My silly self went to the wrong merchant. I went to the Indian spot, and I was supposed to be going to Wayne Gang, which is the Asian cuisine spot. So I messed up right there. But you know what? We got it together. I went in the right spot. The order was ready. Now we heading away right now. So with this first order, we're in good shape. Now the only thing that kind of is a downer is the fact that I didn't get a stack. And I know for a fact that this is one of the merchants that DoorDash will stack an additional order on top of the order that you already have. So it's okay. It ain't gonna always happen like that, but we kind of do count on that. And when that does happen, that increases your earnings per hour. Now this order being ready and the delivery distance and the pickup distance not being too crazy, I'm still gonna be able to get more orders done within this first hour. But whenever you get an opportunity to get a stack, you good to go. Alrighty, so we made it to our delivery destination. Ooh, they got the crab ragoon. What else they got up on her? Hold on now. They got the Mongolian stir fry, the crab ragoon. What else they got? The white rice. Okay, they got it going on. Well, look, great customer. Order from a great place. Great tip they left on there. I appreciate it. Now, the only thing is I need to run back to the car and grab my other device so I can take my DoorDash picture. Because guess what? Even though they may be a good customer, I don't trust them like that because I don't know them like that. Took a little bit of time, but we just got our next offer, guys. Just got it. It took like, what, 5 minutes for this offer to come through? And at that, DoorDash sent me an order, $8 for 9 miles at Hot Shots. Had to let that one go. But then they sent me an offer that I can get behind. $9.75, 4.3 miles at Taco Bell for that taco smell. And we about to head up in there right now and grab this thing. Now, I'm hoping that I got all that recorded because that was funny as heck right there. Dude straight got mad because I pulled out in traffic. Like, nah, bro, you gotta wait your turn. The time on this order says 25. So let's see if they got it ready. I didn't get an add-on, but let's go ahead and see if they got this one ready. Hopefully they do, because I'm trying to get this order done in the next 5 or 10 minutes and try to get one more. All right, so they don't got the order ready, but that's okay though. And I didn't get an add-on also. I just went back to the car to make sure I didn't get no add-on. Now let's go ahead and see how long it's gonna be though, because I do need to make this. Excuse me, sir. There we go. Now it's ready. See, that's what I'm talking about, right? Alrighty, we leaving Taco Bell right now. We got that taco smell in the whip, ready to go. Dude was straight tripping, man. He was blowing his horn at me. He must not know who I am. Hey, you better choose wisely when you decide to blow that horn, because you might not know that you're blowing at somebody like me, and you might not be ready for all them problems. But check this out, though. We got that Taco Bell. We heading to our delivery destination. DoorDash didn't send me no add-on. I'm currently sitting at a 70% on my acceptance rate, guys. Now, I know that may be a surprise to a couple folks out there, and I know a couple more folks may have something to say about it, may have some theories and some wild guesses as to why it may be that high. But guess what? Things is changing on DoorDash. The days where you can only use DoorDash and make all your money is over. I multi-app throughout most of the week, okay? And when I do turn on DoorDash, it's at the peak times. I'll make sure that I'm in the best spot to maximize, and I'm a part of the shop and deliver program. So with all that being said, I'm currently at 70%, and I'm cool with it. Am I going for top dashing? No. But I do like being in the position where I'm getting these higher paying orders and seeing less trash. Now, do I still see some trash offers? Yes. You saw the orders I got earlier. $8 for 7 miles. They sent me one $8 for 9 miles. You still gonna see the trash offers. I even saw a couple no tip offers the other day. But for the majority of the time I'm on the app, I see all diamonds, and I'm cool with that. And if you cool with seeing diamonds too, do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for your boy, because I bring you daily DoorDash content. And guess what? A lot of these folks out here quitting DoorDash, and that's just making more room for me, FDA. So if you're looking for a new home of DoorDash content, hit that like button and that subscribe button. Just hopped out the car. This little dog just scared the hell out of me. All right, little puppy, I got to do my delivery. Watch out for the car. Hold on. Watch out for the car. Hold on. There you go. Go ahead, run on back home. Be safe. You be safe, little puppy. Go ahead, get back home. I got to do this delivery. All righty. Let's go ahead and set that right there. Grab my DoorDash phone and grab this customer's food and this customer's drink, and we're gonna get it dropped off. All right, little doggy, I don't want you to get hit by a car. You might want to go ahead and head on back home. Oh, okay, you just gonna follow me to the door? Okay, well, that's cool too, I guess. But I don't want you messing with this customer food, because I need my tip, little dog. So I'm gonna need you to go ahead and go back home. I appreciate you keeping me company, but I think I got it under control. Let's go ahead and get that picture. Boom. Got that one dropped off, and I've already gotten my next order. Uber Eats sent me an order. This one came in at another $9 for 3 miles, and I love it. So we finna head on up to this merchant I never been to before and get this money. All right, so we are at a place I've never been before. It's called Sneaky's Bar and Grill Joint. So it's on a main road, and I'm over in Edwardsville. I'm over here by the courthouse, by Main Street. So if you can imagine, it ain't no parking on the main road. So I was kind of skeptical about taking this order, but it turns out they had parking in the back. So whenever you encounter like a downtown area, or you encounter like a courthouse area, or somewhere where it's like a main street, ain't a lot of parking out on the main road, and it's a lot of heavy traffic, always check and see if you can pull in the back, because they possibly might have curbside pickup spots in the back, somewhere that's a little bit more secluded. You can run in real quick, grab the order. I actually went in through the back door of this business establishment, and I wish I could show you, but they Main Street, they got a movie theater up there, they got ice cream joints. It's no parking. So this was the best chance for me to grab this order, and now that I know I can grab this order from the back door, I'm gonna be more willing to come pick up orders from this merchant. See, this is why it's important that you know your market, and you know the merchants in your market, and you be familiar with the pickup process when you get to those merchants. This is somewhere I've never been before. And if it was real late at night, it could be kind of difficult trying to find parking. But now that I've experienced this place in the daytime, in the light of day, kind of, sort of, sorry to getting dark, now I know where to park. No matter what time of day, no matter if it's inclement weather, I'm gonna be good to go. It took a little bit of work, but we made it to our delivery destination. $9 for 3 miles on this one. Go ahead and sit that right there, get that picture. Alrighty guys, next up, just got a little Dairy Queen stack. We got some Dairy Queen drive-through action. I think they got them ready right now. Yes, sir. Hi. How you doing? I got 2 of the orders. You don't gotta say the name. I know which ones they is. Alrighty. And these 2 go together?
No,
This is all one order?
Yeah, that and that.
This and this one?
That's the ice cream. It's separate from the food.
Gotcha.
And then here's Blake.
Okay, thank you so much. Awesome. That's a small one. Okay, so we got both orders already. They had them both ready. This one came in at $12.50. 3.3 miles, guys. 2 orders at Dairy Queen. Now, it can be a little bit tricky when you're dealing with these kind of stacks because you may not really know what's going on. Now, if we have a look here, it say $12.50 for 3.3 miles. This could be an $8 order and a $4 order. This could be 2 $6 orders. So I try not to focus too much on if one of the customers tipped and if one of them didn't. What I want to focus on is I like the miles to money ratio. We got 4-to-1 miles to money ratio. I aim for 3-to-1, but if you can get 4-to-1, you definitely need to take that. Don't worry about what the tips is, just get that money. So we got both orders. Let's get this first Dairy Queen order dropped off. This is actually funny. This customer that we dropping off to first is one of my Walmart Spark customers as well. So not only am I the Walmart Spark driver, I get to be the Doordash driver too. Let's get it. All right, front door service. I'm not quite sure how far away we are from drop off number 2. But I do know this, Uber Eats sent me an order $5 for 1 mile at 54th Street. Got an Uber Eats order, $5 1 mile right there. And then DoorDash decided to go ahead and send me a little bitty baby offer. We got $4 for 1 mile at Chick-fil-A. And the best part, let me get my words together. $4, 1 mile at Chick-fil-A. And the best part is, it's also a small delivery, a small distance delivery. So now I got 2 orders going less than a mile. Or actually, no, 1 full mile, but 2 orders, $9 in total. 54th Street for the win. Shout out to the good people up in there. They had night starting to pick up now. Dropping off this 54th Street. I actually already dropped off the Chick-fil-A order because it was less delivery distance. And then I got another order already. DoorDash sent me an offer, $6.75 for 2 miles at Papa John's. Hey, get you some of that pizza bag, you may be missing out. And then at the same time, they sent me that one. Uber Eats sent me another offer, $10 and some change. I think it said like $10.43 for 4 miles at Applebee's. And the best part is, Applebee's is directly next to Papa John's. So we made it. You got Applebee's right there and Papa John's right next to it. So we're gonna pull up to Papa John's first, grab that pizza order since the DoorDash order did come in first. And on top of it, Papa John's give you that order through the drive-through window too, so I love it. My favorite spot in my whole market, Applebee's. They usually have them ready. Let's see. We picking up for coming this way.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
About to leave, and I forget my charger.
I know that's right. Gotta have that. Yes, and they got that thing ready to go. So I'm talking about Applebee's for the win. Thank you. Alrighty, guys, we made it to our delivery destination. Let's go ahead and grab that DoorDash pizza bag. And while I'm at it, let me grab my DoorDash phone so I can get my confirmation. Now, this one is a leave at door, so probably no cash tip on this one. They left a good tip inside the Dasher app, so it's all good with me. They got like 3 pieces on this order too. But again, it's all good. They left me a tip in the app, and I'm a multi-app. Leave that right there. Take that picture. Front door service. And now we can head on to our Applebee's delivery. That one was $10 for 4 miles. $10 and some change, something like that. Now, my hope is that we already done covered a couple of those miles because I wasn't sure if they both was going in the right direction, but I was going to accept that order anyways because I don't get great offers like that on Uber Eats. So when I see one, I make sure I get it and take advantage. Just pulled up to my delivery destination and it's just a deer. Just, you know, just chilling. I appreciate that, Mr. Deer. I need you to get out of my way so I can do this Uber Eats delivery. Boom. We made it to our delivery destination. Let's go ahead and get this thing dropped off in real time. Boom. Throw that thing in park. Grab that Applebee's bag and head up to the front door. That deer was literally just up here chilling, guys. That's crazy. We is straight in deer country. But you know what? These deers ain't stopping my money. I still need to make mine. And we finna give them that front door service. Boom, yes sir. Sally, Doordash just hit me with a $4 1 mile pizza order. So I had to go ahead and take it. And it's actually perfect because it's only one merchant over here where I'm at right now. At by this customer's delivery location. It's only one merchant, guys, and that one merchant sent me an order, and I appreciate it so much. So we're gonna head on over to Casey's, pick up this pizza order. Now, a lot of folks ask, hey, is it worth doing DoorDash or food delivery at nighttime? Well, it really just depends. How is your market? Is it merchants open late at night in your market? And are you in some programs, you know, some large order program, pizza bag program? These are gonna be the things that dictate if it's worth working at nighttime. Go ahead and see if they got this order ready real quick while I'm out here just running my mouth.
Yes, that works. So
These my peoples over here, they always have a good.
Casey's chow.
It must be just a graphic then.
You got a pizza back there for me, boss?
Grace.
Yeah.
What is it?
Grace, yeah. Yeah, man. You know how I do. Appreciate it, twin.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, thank you.
welcome.
All right. See, they always have them ready. That's why I like picking up here. Now we got less than a mile delivery distance on this one. Thank you, you too. And I just got my next order already. This one came in at $10 for like 6 or 7 miles or something like that. But it says Starbucks. An easy delivery distance was very close. I love it. And it was bringing me in a direction of my next order, which is a Starbucks order. So that's perfect. Keeping the wheels rolling. Everything going in the same direction and the money keeps going. Let's get it. So it's more merchants up there by Starbucks. It's basically all the merchants up there. So I'm happy to get this Starbucks order, not only because it's good miles to money ratio. Alrighty guys, so we made it to Starbucks, but the inside is actually closed. It's pretty late. It ain't late, but I guess they closed the inside early over here. So we finna slide through this drive-through, skip the call box, and go straight to the window because they should have this thing ready. Now, I accepted this one quite a ways away, so they had plenty of time to make it. It's no customers on the inside. It's only one car in the drive-through. And if you're familiar with Starbucks, you know they always be packed. They always got a bunch of customers. So this is actually pretty cool right here. This is probably gonna be one of the fastest times I ever got a Starbucks order. So I'm cool with that. Now, if this goes, yep, there we go. Go ahead and move out the way. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yep, you have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Nice and easy. I wish I could use the drive-through for Starbucks more often, but during the day, they be so packed. Drive-through stay wrapped around the building. It's just not feasible, guys. We hanging it up right there. Hold on, my microphone. There we go. We hanging it up right there, guys. We did surprisingly good tonight. $51 on the Doordash app, nice. And then we got another $21 on the Uber Eats app, and it's actually probably gonna go up to about $30, but I like to count what I can see for right now. 20 bucks is what I see. But altogether, the time is 8:47. We've been out for 3 hours, guys, and made 70 bucks using just Doordash and Uber. Let's go. So looky here. If there was ever a question in anyone's mind if you could make money in the dinner shift, you absolutely can. You just got to know your market, work the best times, and maximize. If you found value in this ride along, guys, do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button too, and I'll catch you in the next one.